Hi students, welcome to our e-Vidya classes. I hope all of you are fine. Students, last class we have all discussed about our different mountains. Means shortly we will introduce about the mountains. That is, the Himalaya mountains are spread. I discussed with you. Himalaya mountains are spread across 5 countries in the Asian subcontinent. That is India, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan and China. You can see the image here, student, picture. This is our India map, and here neighboring country Pakistan and China is there, and Nepal is there, Bhutan is there. So the Himalaya, the red line, you can see the image very carefully. You can see here that line is a great Himalaya, you see, that is the extent. So here is telling, see carefully, the Himalaya mountains are spread across 5 countries. Means Himalaya mountain is spread across 5 countries. That countries are India, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan and China. See, from India it is started to Bhutan, Nepal and China and Pakistan. Okay, so the Himalaya mountains across the 5 countries, spread across 5 countries, that is India, Nepal, China, Pakistan and Bhutan. Understood, student? Like this, student, other mountains also are there. You look at very carefully. This is our Indian map and this is our border of the India. Black headline is given highlighting. So this is our border of India, and nearer his neighboring country Pakistan is there. This is the China. Here is China, and Nepal. Here is Nepal, and here is Bhutan. Okay. Now we will discuss remaining more the mountains are there which is covered with our Himalaya. Okay. The Karakoram range and the Hindus Kush mountain are extension of the Himalaya mountains. Okay. So it's telling another mountain is the Karakoram range and the Hindus Kush mountain. Student, you have to understand what I am telling and try to understand. You have to remember these mountains. There is no other options. You have to remember and try to find out in this picture. I will show you. Okay. The Karakoram range and the Hindus Kush mountain are extension of the Himalaya mountain. So these two mountains are extension to the Himalaya mountains. Together they form northern mountain. Understood? Means northern mountain who will make Karakoram range and Hindus Kush mountain. See Karakoram mountains. This is the Karakoram mountains, student. Look at this picture very carefully. This is the Karakoram mountain, and next Hindus Kush mountain. So both the Karakoram and Hindus Kush mountain, they together form northern mountain. Okay, this northern mountain, this is they will together form. So we can say shortly I can write Karakoram range. First of all, Karakoram, Karakoram range plus Hindus Kush, KUSH, Hindu Kush mountains together they form northern mountains. What? Northern mountain. Understood, students? So first of all, student, this is the Karakoram mountain and Hindu Kush mountain. This is the Hindu Kush mountain. They together form northern mountains. Understood, students? So like this, the Karakoram is a large mountain range stretched for nearly 500 km along the border of Pakistan and India and China. It is very important, student. This Karakoram, almost how much kilometer it is ranged? 500 km. How much? 500 km. See, this is the Karakoram range, 500 km along of the border of Pakistan. Which border? Pakistan. This is the Pakistan border. See carefully, this is the Pakistan border and India border and China border. Means both the together, along with together three country, it is spread 500 kilometer. India, Pakistan and China. Understood? Along with the three countries, it is spread across over approximately 500 kilometers. The Karakoram mountain. Understood, students? So these Karakoram mountains, once again I repeat, Karakoram mountain, large mountain range. It is very large. It is stretching. Stretching means it is spread over. Means it is spread over. If it is a mountain, this is the called spreading. Means this Karakoram mountain, it is stretched over nearly 500 kilometers along the border of which border? It is connected with the border of Pakistan, India and China. Okay, it is extended into Afghanistan in the northwest. So it's the northwest. This is the east, this is the west. Student, this is the east, this is the west, and this is the north, and this is the south. End part is I told you before also. So northwest, he is telling northwest. This is the north and this is the west. So this side is called northwest. Okay, this direction is called northwest. This is the northeast. So this Karakoram mountains is stretched also. It extend into also Afghanistan in the northwest. Means you can see here northwest. It is also extend to Afghanistan in northwest. And K2 is the second highest peak in the world. K2 is the, you can see the figure here, student, here written is K2. So K2 is the second highest peak in the world, is a part of the range. Okay, K2 is another name of the mountains which is highest peak in the world, is a part of our range. Understood, student? So K2 is another highest peak in the world. So second highest is K2. Next point, K2 is the second highest peak in the world. Understood, student? It is its parts. Student, peak, which is the meaning of peak? I will tell you. Peak, what do you mean by peak? Okay, if you see, student, it is a mountain. There is two mountains, so that part is called peak. Okay, P-E-A-K. Understood, student? The top part of our mountain, of a mountain, is called peak. If this is a mountain, then it is the peak. If it is the mountain, if it is a mountain, then that part is called peak. Understood, students? So K2 is the highest peak in the world. See, you can see here a small image. There is some mountains are there. Here you see it is the highest peak. It is looking very high. So K2 is the second highest peak in the world. Understood, students? Any doubt? I hope understood. You are understanding clearly. So we will go to next point. The Hindu Kush mountains stretch. We have discussed the northern mountains covered approximately minimum two mountains, that is Karakoram mountains and Hindu Kush mountains. So we have discussed about the Karakoram mountains. Karakoram mountains is nearly 500 kilometers across the border of three countries, that is India, Pakistan and China. So next we will come to Hindu Kush mountain. Hindu Kush mountains stretch for nearly 800 kilometers. Okay, so first of all, student, I have discussed Karakoram mountains approximately above stretched 500 kilometers, but Hindu Kush mountain stretched nearly 800 kilometers along the Afghanistan-Pakistan border. Understood, student? This is the Hindu Kush mountain. Understood, student? In this figure it is not mentioned. You just think it is the Hindu Kush mountain is, I think, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Here I think it is there, Hindu Kush mountain here, student. But you just try to understand what I am telling. Okay, Hindu Kush mountain range how much? Hindu Kush 800 kilometer stretch along the Afghanistan and Pakistan border. Which country? Afghanistan, AFGH, shortly Afghanistan and Pakistan. I am writing very shortly, just try to understand. Pakistan border. Okay, understood student? So it is the Hindus Kush mountain is stretched nearly 800 km along the Afghanistan and Pakistan border. Okay, it forms the western section of the Hindus Kush Himalaya region. Western means this side. This is the east. This is the western. This side, western side of the Hindu Kush Himalaya region. Understood students? So first of all, you have to remember the what we have discussed means we have our first chapter name was the northern mountains and plains. Okay, according to this our titles means topic of the chapter, main chapter. So we have discussed the northern mountains. How will you form the northern mountains contains the combination of two mountains, that is Karakoram mountains and Hindus Kush mountains. Okay, Karakoram mountains stretch the 500 kilometers approximately or nearly so along the border of India, Pakistan and China. Like this student, Hindus Kush mountains also stretch nearly 800 kilometer along the border of Afghanistan and Pakistan. Understood students? So they both together form northern mountains. Okay, which is our main chapter name. Clear students? So next point, K2 is the second highest peak in the world, that is called our peak position. So we can say this is the peak of a mountain, means the top position of a mountain is called peak. Clear students? So next we will go. The Himalayas stretch for nearly 2400 kilometers in an arc. Okay, so it runs from the west to the east. So first sentence from one by one I will tell you students, try to understand and look at the picture very carefully. He is telling the Himalayas name you might have heard everywhere, I think student. So that Himalayas stretch for nearly 2400 kilometers. It is very important in an arc. See, I will show you in this figure. Look at this camera. This is the Himalaya. The Greater Himalaya is written. There is a red line is going. You can see this is the red line. So this is called our Himalaya. So this is the called Greater Himalaya. So that Greater Himalaya is stretched. Stretched means it is started means total is area stretched for nearly 2400 kilometers. This is the 2000 means from here to here. The kilometer is 2400 kilometers in an arc. See why it is arc? The structure is like this. The structure is student like this. Okay. So it is our Indian map. This is the east. This is the west. So it runs from the west to this is the west means this is the west side direction. So it is west to east. Understood? West to east. And span the state of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and the hilly region of West Bengal, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and other northern western. Spans means student, this is the very important sentence. You just look at the sentence. First it is stretched first 2400 kilometers Himalayas mountains in a arc. Arc means just like a curve like structure. Okay, arc. What is arc student? If I will take a circle, if I will take this part, okay, from this part to this part, if I will cut, that part is called arc, A-R-C. So like this student, you think it is also like a half of a circle, means some part of a circle, so it is called arc. Okay, because it looks like a part of a circle. So like this, our Himalayas is stretched nearly 2400 kilometers in a arc, and it runs from west to east to the east and spans of the state. Spans means it's going through the state. Which state? Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and West Bengal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and other northern eastern states. So in our country India, minimum these the state the Himalaya is passing, means we can see the Himalaya in this state in our India. Understood, students? And other northern state, the mountains are border in the west nearly 500 kilometers. This mountain means our Himalaya mountains are border at the west. In the west side, how much kilometer? Nearly 500 kilometer, and narrow down toward the east. See, this is the western side, and western it is the wide and 500 kilometer, and narrow down it's going toward the east, like this. You see, student, toward the east, narrow down means it's going toward the narrow down toward the east nearly 200 kilometers. Means in west side it is very large 500 kilometer, and nearly 200 kilometer toward the east side, this side. Understood, students? I hope all of you understood. Okay, once again I will tell you about our Himalaya. So if it is this is the Himalaya range. Okay, Himalayas mountain. Okay, Mountain. This is the Himalaya, like this. You can see here the great line. This is the Himalaya mountains. It is stretched nearly 2400 kilometers. This is very important. And it runs, second point, it runs, I am discussing about only Himalaya, this point. Okay, it runs from west to east direction. This is the west to east direction. Okay, WEST, west to east, and it is span. I will tell you. It is span, student. It is span the state. Which state? The states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and other northeastern state. Understood, students? So this is the nearly 200 kilometers. So it is very important which state. It is span Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and other northeast region. Okay, understood, student? Nearly 200 kilometers. Okay, students? So this is about our northern mountains and our Himalaya mountains. A little discussion with our mountains. Understood, students? So once again I repeat, students, but before going to repeat, I will discuss with the different mountains. And next, another point, very important point I forget to say, student. The Himalaya, the word Himalaya, the name Himalaya is derived from Sanskrit, where Sanskrit, Sanskrit, Sanskrit word. Okay, so the name Himalaya is derived from the Sanskrit. The name where derived means it's come from the word Sanskrit. Okay, Sanskrit word that is called Sanskrit, Sanskrit. That means Himalaya. Himalaya means him. Him means first him. See, Himalaya, right? Himalaya. Okay, Him means students. I'll tell you. First, him means that him means snow. SNOW, snow. And alaya means alaya. That him means snow. That is called snow. SNOW, snow. And that alaya means above. That is above. Abode and dwelling. Okay, means it is the abode of snow, means full of snow, cover of snow. Understood? So alloy means abode, ABOD, abode, or dwelling means full covered of snow. Understood? Himalaya. So him means snow, means ice, and alloy means avoid or dwelling, means covered with avoid of snow, means totally covered of snow. That is called Himalaya. So the name Himalaya is derived from our Sanskrit word that is called, that means him means snow and alloy means avoid, means dwelling, means covered of snow, that mountain. Understood, students? Okay, so this is the little discussion of our information about our mountains Himalaya. So first of all, once again I repeat, student. First, different mountains. First, our northern mountains is combination of Karakoram and Hindus mountain. That is, Karakoram is stretched nearly 500 km along the border of India, Pakistan and China. And then Hindus Kush mountain is stretched nearly 800 km, that are along with the border of Afghanistan and Pakistan. They together combined northern mountains. Understood, students? Then we will come to students Himalayas, and it is the peak of the mountain. Himalayas, it is stretched nearly 2400 km. It runs from the west to east. Okay. Next point, it spans the state Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh and other northeastern states. Okay, the name of Himalayas is derived from the Sanskrit word, that means Himalaya. If we will divide the Himalaya, separate the Himalaya, we will get the different meaning. Him means snow, means full of ice, and alloy means avoid, or that is called dwelling also, means it is avoid of snow, means it is totally covered of snow. That is called our Himalaya. The word Himalaya word is come from the Sanskrit. Okay, students, I hope all of you understood clearly this class. And next class, students, we will discuss about the, here you see the book, there are some more other 100 peaks are higher than the 7200 meters is given. So different Mount Everest and different other mountains also, and their kilometer, their range also given, and which border they are attached also is given. Next class we will discuss with this, and we will go ahead. So student, today we will wind up this class now. Next class we will discuss about other mountains and their ranges and their borders. Okay, students? So till that, study well, watch the video properly, take care. Thank you very much. Take care of all of you. Thank you.